What the crap? Like, honestly, you guys, it's raining so hard. If you guys can see the drops. See, if you guys can hear that up there, that's rain, that's hell. What the crap? And I'm going to my friend's house today. Just look at the pool. Watch, you can see drops going to the pool. Like, it hit like, honestly guys, it hit like 11:11, and it just started raining so hard. Look at a puddle starting to go over there. Dang. This is my first time being outside when it's raining so hard. Unbelievable. And just one rule, you guys, never go under a tree while it's raining, because you don't know if a lightning might come and then strike from the tree and you could die from lightning, just to tell you. Oh my god. Wanna see? Oh my god, that's cold. You guys are in the rain. It's just raining so hard right now. Hey, at least that the plants are getting some water where they can grow. Honestly, you guys, I am freezing right now. Look. See? Oh my god. I'm freezing, so I'm gonna go back inside. Hope you guys like, subscribe, comment. Peace.